Hi, it's Aga here. Today I would like to share with you some information about how to paint foamiran using color glows, and I will show you how to do just a simply flowers. I will use a 5-petal die, and I will show you different colors, how they look like on foamiran. I will use the pink ones, the turquoise or blues, and you can choose whatever color you like because the family of color glows is really big. And to start, I use this 5-petal foamiran. I use a little bit of water and the color glow powder, and I paint the petals. And if you use more water, less powder, you will get more pastel color. You can also make a mist using color glow and water into the atomizer. And when you spray this mist on your petal, it will be also colored. Please, if you want to, please be really careful if you want to dry the petals using a dryer, because you might change the way the foamiran looks and destroy your petals. So you need to be really careful using the dryer. And of course, the petals must be dried before getting them to the heating tool. This is how the pink color look like. You can also let a little bit of water and mix them with the color glow on a glass pot, and you can have really multicolor flowers. When you put it into the iron, it is really easy because the foamiran changes its dimensions, and you will have really easy flower. You can use it both ways. So on the way like this one, and I put some things inside and glue it with heating glue. If you want, you can also give the petals another way, and you will get totally different flower. So it's really easy. You can see how it differently look like. And if you want to have really strong color, you have to use a lot of powder, as here I use this technique with giving a little bit of water and a little bit of color glow on a glass pot. Please be really careful. Do not use a lot of powder, because then this petal will be too stiff and the iron won't change the structure of foamiran. So you have to practice how much powder and how much water will be necessary to color these petals. That's all from me. As you can see, I made some sweethearts and bigger flowers. Have fun and with color glows and make flowers. Goodbye, bye.